Cordial saludo, tutor y compañeros. Cordial greeting, tutor and company. Eh, my name is Jean-Pierre Cruz Martinez. I am a student in health administration and live in the city of Cali. The trip time I going to of jury is in to the city of Paris. Paris is the capital of France and is one of the most important and influential cities in the world. From the tourist point of view, Paris is one of the most visited cities in Europe. Although Paris cannot be said to be an economic city, the truth is that its prices are not as high as in other cities such as London, Amsterdam, or other European capitals. Accommodation and transportation costs are slightly higher than those of Madrid and Barcelona. As in the rest of France, the official language of Paris French is French, and unlike in other countries, the use of English is not very common. Paris is, in addition to being an open air museum, offer innumerable places to visit and corners to get lost. The, the Eiffel Tower is an iron construction of 300 meters high that was created for the Universal Exhibition of Paris in 1889. It is currently the most representative symbol of Paris. The Arc, the Arc de Triomphe is one of the most famous symbols of Paris and represents the victories of the French army under the orders of Napoleon, who ordered its construction. Dedicated to Virgin Mary, the Notre Dame Cathedral is one of the oldest Gothic cathedrals in the world. Its tower offers incredible views of Paris, among other tourist attractions. The cuisine of France is considered one of the best in the world, something that makes Paris one of the most renowned gastronomic capitals. These are some of the traditional dishes of French cuisine: foie gras, liver, liver of dogs, of Fannetin geese, Beau bourguignon, Citeuf beef meat in red wine, Quiche Lorraine, salcade made with eggs and cream, as well as other ingredients such as meat and cheese. Other plate, wine and cheese are consumed in common with the French. The weather is cool with freezing wind and weather in what in summertime. That is with the closest must be according to the waiter station to the trip to the city of Paris. Thank you a lot.